Okay, benzene as substituent known as phenyl. There are two conditions where benzene will become substituent. Okay, when a benzene ring attached to a carbon chain that has another functional group, or that carbon chain containing 6 or more carbon atoms, benzene ring considered as substituent. So if we look at here, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon. Okay, so this one will become the parent. So your parent is alkane. So your parent is alkane. So your longest carbon chain is 7 carbon. So when you want to give number, you must start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the name will be 2-phenyl heptane. Okay. You just consider benzene ring as ClOBr. So you give this name just like you want to give a name to any alkane. So the longest carbon chain is 7 carbon. So the parent is heptane. At carbon number 2, you have substituent known as phenyl. Okay. Okay, next. So this carbon chain, okay, only got 4 carbon. However, it has important functional group. Okay. So this is the parent. Okay. So when you want to give number, the first priority is lowest for the functional group and then lowest at the substituent. So that's why I start here. It must be lowest at the functional group and lowest at the substituent. So your substituent here is phenyl. So 1 phenyl, 2 butene. Okay, so this is alkene. Okay, so you just assume, phenyl is just like chlorine. So if I want to give name, I will give name 1 chloro, 2 butene. So you need to mention position of double bond. If you don't mention position of double bond, maybe the structure will look like this. If the structure look like this, the name will be different. Okay, so you need to mention position of double bond. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, there are 2 carbon, but this carbon containing important functional group. So functional group will get lower number. So 2 phenyl. In this case, the name is ethanol. So when you have 2 carbon, you can place OH at any carbon. So when you have 2 carbon, the OH can be placed here or the OH can be placed here. No need to mention the position. So that's why the name is ethanol. Okay, when you have 3 carbon or more, so then you have 1 propanol or 2 propanol. So when you have ethanol, no need to mention the position because we understood OH will be at carbon number 1. So it can be at any carbon. Okay, so no need to mention the position of OH in this case. Okay. Okay, next is common name for benzyl. So benzyl is like this one. CH2 attached to a benzene ring. We call it as benzyl. So the name will be benzyl alcohol. Okay, so CH2 attached to aromatic ring attached to benzene ring. So the name will be benzyl chloride. Okay, CH2 attached to benzene. So the name will be benzyl amine. So for the last one, the name is close with one another. So this one has spacing, this one also has spacing.